So let's define some more terms. What is physical activity? No, that's just when you got out of the car and walked into the grocery store. That's not sitting down is physical activity, right? That's what the American Heart Association wants you to get some of every day. So, in other words, if you're not paralyzed, you get some physical activity every day. Well, our standard's a little higher than that, isn't it? What is exercise? And by now, you guys know these vocabulary words. We've defined them over and over, and the definition seems to be workable. So exercise is what?
Work done for immediate results.
It's the physical activity you do for the purpose of whatever the hell the purpose is that you're doing it for. Hot, sweaty, tired, burn some calories, right? It's specifically performed physical activity for a purpose that involves what you're doing today, all right? You go by the gym on the way home. You park the car and you do the physical activity of walking into the gym. You change your clothes, right? You go over to the dumbbell rack. You wave the dumbbells around like old guys do, you know? You ever been in a gym and seen old guys go to the dumbbell rack and go, like, and that's one rep. So you do that for 15, 20 minutes and, you know, invent several new ways to move the 5-pound dumbbells around. And then you go over and ride the treadmill and watch CNN for another 30 minutes and get hot, sweaty, and tired. And then you go back in the locker room and you get in the sauna, you know, get all sweaty in the sauna. Then you take a shower, put your clothes on, and go back home. You exercised, right? You burned some calories, you got hot, sweaty, and tired. It was better than sitting on your ass, right? But is it training? What is training? Training is that which produces this slope, okay? This increase in physical capacity that's measurable and quantifiable over time. Training is that which produces a change in your physiological capacity over time. It's a designed program of stress, recovery, and adaptation to an increase in physiological capacity. Is training for a marathon and training for a weightlifting meet the same thing? No, they're not. Why not? Because the activities of those two competitive events require different types of physiological adaptation, don't they? Nonetheless, the programmed preparation for both of those events are training, aren't they? You train for a marathon, right? You train for a weightlifting meet. Because both of them require an increase in physiological adaptation capacity, because here you are now and here's where you want to be. And the process of obtaining that increase is training. Does this definition seem to make sense? See how it applies to whatever type of physical activity we're training for, right? Whether it's endurance or strength. The slope of that line is designed into the physical activity. And each one of those sessions where we apply a stress is called a workout. Okay? And the accumulated effect of all of those workouts is this increase in physical capacity. Now, when you went to the gym on the way home and waved the dumbbells around in the air, that was a workout, right? Why wasn't it training? Because it did not produce a quantifiable increase in stress over the previous workout. Right? If you just go in the gym and fuck around every day and just satisfy your urge today to fuck around in the gym without applying any analysis to the physical stress that you must apply in order to produce this result down here, you're exercising, you're not training. Right? And look, for most people, exercise may be enough. Right? But what do our clients want? They want results. They want to get stronger. They want to get better at whatever the hell it is they're wanting to do. So our people demand more than exercise. We have to train them. And to train them, we have to understand how the training actually works.